Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect a chatbot to LiveChat. All right, first up, go to the left panel right here and click on Team. Okay, click on it. Now at the top, you have chatbots. Okay, click on chatbots. Now go ahead and click on Add New Chatbot. Okay, as you can see here, by default, you already have one. Okay, which is your company's chatbot. And if you want to create a custom one, well, you could go ahead and click on Add New Chatbot right here or New Chatbot at the top right. Okay, so just click on one right here, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, again, click on Add New Chatbot. Okay, if you only have a free account, well, it needs an upgrade for you to create multiple chatbots. So for example, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the three dots and delete this chatbot right here. Okay, wait for it. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in a new chatbot. Now give your chatbot a name. For example, chatbot AA or answer ASAP. Now you have the welcome message right here. You can go ahead and add this one and make sure that accepting chats is enabled. Okay, now you can go ahead and go to skills right here, add in a skill, AI knowledge, add new website, and then custom answers, which needs a premium subscription. Okay, now once that's done, just click on Add Chatbot, wait for it, and once done, you're good to go. And in here as well, we have the drop down. You can go ahead and make it offline or accepting chats basically online. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.